What's up guys, Shane Hennen with Hennen Workouts. Today we're gonna get into a foot switch series. It's gonna be a great thing for your foot control. Let's get started. All right, first one, we're getting into stationary foot switches. We gotta get 10 reps total. We gotta hit that back foot to that front foot and pull the ball back and keep foot switching in that same spot. We need 10, here we go. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Good work, good work. We gotta get to the next one. Remember, it's important that we learn how to shift our weight in these drills. So keep that in mind. This next one, I'm going one foot switch, and then when I flip, I'm attacking this side cone right here and getting to an under drag. When I get back, it's the same thing. Flip, attack, drag. I gotta get 5 on this side, 5 on that side. Here we go. That's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. Here we go. 5. Short break. Same thing, gotta flip it. All right, let's get to the other side. Again, get to that foot switch, push to your right foot, flip your feet, getting to that drag. We need 5. Here we go. 2. 3. 4. Last one. 5. Woo. Another quick break. Good work. Catch your breath, same thing. I gotta get 5 and 5. This time, when I get to my first foot switch, I need to cross back over and get to that drag. This is gonna be a continuous one where I go both sides. All right, we gotta get 10. This can be a burner, but we gotta go. 1, foot switch, cross, good, 2. Again, that's 2. 3. 4. 5, halfway. Mistake. Let's hit that one again. Let's hit that one again. Here we go. There we go. 6. 7. 8. 9. Last one. Here we go. Woo! That's a burner. Good work. Great job, guys. That was our foot switch series. Remember, foot control is one of the most important skills that you can have in your game, so make sure that stays in your routine.